Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day. It's raining. See right there? Now I had to change my plans a little bit. I know these cars think I'm stupid. Look at all this. Look right here. Look at all this. So I gotta fix that. Look at all this right here. See that right there? I gotta fix that. I know the original plan was to kill it, which we're on the way, hopefully, to kill it, control it. Just throw some ryegrass out here and let it be for the winter, and do my renovation with Bermuda next year. But look what I got. Look at how bad this grading is. Look, right here, all the way around, all the way up to there. Look at this big hump right here. You can't tell it, but that hump's about 2 foot up off the ground. It's massive. You can see the scalp mark. So that's what I meant in one of them videos a minute ago, was about to, I've got to change my plan. So I've got to do some light grade work out here, at least to fix all this. Grabbed the GoPro and come out here. I wanted to show you that while it was raining and what it's doing. And now you know why I've got to fix it. So I have no idea when I'll finish making this video, so I'll see you in a minute. Hey, sometimes you just need a bigger toy, right? Bought my buddy's backhoe, had 8 more loads of dirt come in, got it moved around, and kind of done a so-so job with the backhoe. I'm not all that great with the front bucket, but I'm going to take the Ventrac, something I am decent on, and kind of rough grade this out. Now this ain't my final grade. I cut my internet to my office, so they got to come back out tomorrow and redo the internet, so I'm gonna leave a pile of dirt right here to butt up against the driveway. Gosh, we're getting close. I've got my watering system kind of set up. I'll show you that in another video. I'll probably bring the ABI out here and put the final grade on it with that, because I'm about to die to use that in this dirt. All right, so we're looking pretty good. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 dump truck loads of compost clay mix. You can see I had that hump right here, and if you can imagine a fence going straight all the way over to the woods, from here over is gonna, all this is gonna be gravel. Now that's a high spot right here, a big old hump, and I gotta pull it over and let it meet up with the front yard. So you can see I'm still a little bit low right here on this back side. This has got to come up maybe another 3-4 inches roughly. And it's a couple little low spots. I got a little low spot right here. I'm still a touch low next to the road. It kind of does this number, and I really want it flat coming off the road. Or you know how most highways are kind of arched anyway. They got a crown in the middle that kind of breaks off on each side, and I want to kind of follow that crown all the way back to here. Whew, I'm a little high right here. Don't worry, that ABI will tell me how bad I screwed up. So far not too bad. I still need a little bit of dirt over there in that corner, and I'm gonna probably get I tell you what, let's get about 4 more loads. I think 4 more will do me just right. Now of course I don't really want to use that dirt beyond this point. Okay, now this right here, you can see the dirt, that's about where the other dirt will kind of meet up to it, and the gravel parking lot will start. But now along this edge right here, you know, fence down the middle, and on this side is going to be a natural area, and that natural area is going to wrap all the way around to where those woods stop over there.